I think the reason why drug cartels exist and flourish in Mexico is because on the one hand, you have weak institutions and politically prone areas in the country for these groups to emerge. And on the other hand, you have a huge demand of drugs from the United States. So the combination of both make it very strong for cartels to exist and to grow. The way that drug cartels and these non-state actors win control over some regions is, one, because they offer better economic opportunities for some of the people working at the rural areas that are very poor, and suddenly a drug cartel that can say, okay, if you grow this drug or this substance, I'm going to pay you way more than what you were doing before. And obviously the other strong incentive that they can use is threatening the people that live in these areas, right? So it's both ways. One is that they offer better economic conditions for these people, but also they have the ability to threaten them because of the power that they control and that they have. It's interesting to see that the places where you see the most improvements in Mexico, at least, are the ones where states and localities that work, the federal government, the state government, and the civil society together to solve these issues. And obviously those places are the ones that have more solid, stronger, powerful economic dynamics, and also stronger institutions. So the combination of the federal government, local and non-state actors, which are the private sector and the civil society, have helped reduce these issues. And those have been the cases of success that we have seen in the country. I think the lack of collaboration between Mexico and the US that could happen after these elections would be very negative. I think both countries benefit from collaborating and working together against these big non-state actors that are really hard to stop because of the amount of money and resources that they have, the power that they have both economically and through weapons and violence. So the collaboration between the two countries is key because, as we have been saying, the issue is a problem that is shared.